So let me just go around and make a quick change to this image right here. And let's say I want to share this out with other people. So let's just go around, make a quick change right here onto, let's say, for example, highlights right here, just like this, so that it is loading. You can see right here. So let's just go around, work around with the highlights right here, just like this, decrease it out and then increase out the shadows right here, let's say, for example. And then I'm going to work around with the contrast a bit right here, just like this. And then I'm going to go around over here onto detail section right here, and then work around with the sharpness as well, let's say, for example, and then change around the luminance noise right here and the color noise as well, so that it is smoother right here, just like this. So this is what you have, as you can see. And let's just go around with the color as well, and then work around with the temperature to make it much more cooler right here, just like this. So let's say I want to go ahead and share this result out with other people. In that case, you can go around onto save and share option right here, and then go to share section. If I were to go around over here onto the three dot button, then I can go around onto preferences right here, and here you can see that share settings actually have these different options right here. You can choose a custom format right here, or you can go around and choose a default image size. In my case, let me just go to the default original and then go to save and share, and then go to share right here, just like this. So once I go around on to share right here, then I got the sharing option right here, where I can choose Outlook email right here or different apps right here according to how I want. So let's just go around over here, and let's say I want to choose the YouTube account too right here, and I can simply use Outlook to mail this out. So let's say, for example, please find this image right here. So I can go around and then hit the send button right here, and what happens is that using Outlook, it'll be sending out that email right here to the other person. Similarly, you can also go around and share out to other platforms, as you can see right here. So if I were to go around onto share right here, then you have an option to share it out onto other people right here, and share it out with Mail or Feedback Hub or Microsoft Teams and Adobe Acrobat Share, and see all of these options right here. Even the snipping tool is here, as you can see right here, and it goes to the snipping tool right here as you share it out with other applications right here, just like this. And that is how you can utilize the share option inside of Adobe Photoshop Express. So if you guys learned something as always, and as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.